Okay, hi, Jarem Atkinson here. I just wanted to make a quick video. I build a lot of funnels and websites with Clickfunnels. It's like a web page building software. It's really a ton of things, even more than that. But anyway, I build these funnels and I build websites, and I've had a lot of people that have asked me, if I can make a video showing how to go through the process of, once you have a funnel, how to go and add your custom domain. Right, so like by default, my funnels, when I'm building them, before I've assigned them to a domain, they're at jarem.clickfunnels.com. And people want to know how I can change that so that it's at whatever website I want. So in this example, I'm building a funnel for viralquizfunnels.com. It's a domain I just barely bought. Looking to build that out. I want to essentially reassign it so that my entire funnel, my website, will be at viralquizfunnels.com and not jarem.clickfunnels.com/viralquizfunnels. So I'm going to go through pretty quickly how to do that. There's a few different ways to do it. Clickfunnels has changed up the process a little bit. I honestly still go a more manual approach. I feel like it's actually still pretty straightforward, very easy to work with, and so we're going to go ahead and go through showing how you can do that. So obviously you need to have already purchased your domain. Viralquizfunnels.com is the one I have, and I just purchased mine through GoDaddy. I purchased almost all my websites through them, and for hosting, we're going to be using Cloudflare. Cloudflare is the hosting provider that Clickfunnels works with. So if you haven't been here before, you haven't already created an account, go ahead and click sign up and create an account. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in under my account here. And once you are logged in, you're going to hit add site, and this is where you're going to come in and type in your website. And this doesn't need to be HTTP or HTTPS or www. Just type in directly what the site is. So in my case, it's viralquizfunnels.com. You hit begin scan. And obviously, as I'm going through this, I'm just going to go straight through it. So I'd recommend that you watch each step and do each step. Once you see me do this step, pause the video and go and do that step, and then you can continue on with each subsequent step, so you can do it in real time with me. So this is basically going to be scanning the domain, looking for all the different DNS records associated with the domain. It's going to look for the CNAME records and the A records and MX records, all that kind of stuff. That sounds really technical, but it's going to be very straightforward and easy what we will go ahead and do. And so there's going to be a few steps that we'll do here in Cloudflare, and then after that we'll go into Clickfunnels and do a few things here. So I'll hit continue setup, and basically by default there are two CNAMEs I need to get rid of. Not CNAMEs, sorry. There are two A records. I need to get rid of both of these. So I'm going to hit X. Actually, so let me show you here. It's viralquizfunnels is one I need to get rid of, and actually it's this CNAME record, so it's not this one. So it's like whatever your domain is, the A record. So viralquizfunnels.com is the one I need to get rid of, and then I need to get rid of the www.one. So they should usually be just these two, the two that have orange clouds, are what you're going to get rid of. So I'll go ahead and get rid of this. It's the viralquizfunnels.com one. And I'll get rid of this one, the www one. And I'm basically going to recreate those, but I'm going to create them pointing to Clickfunnels, and they're both going to be CNAME. So I'll hit CNAME, and the first one I'll do viralquiz. Actually, it's not going to be viralquizfunnels. It's going to be the @ symbol. Sorry, I'm going off memory here, but it's going to be the @ symbol, and then I'm going to do target.clickfunnels.com and hit add record, and then I'm going to do the same thing again with CNAME, but I'm going to do www, and then I'm going to go target.clickfunnels.com, hit add record, and if these aren't orange like you see, you go ahead and click them like that and make them orange. But yeah, just make sure they're both orange. So we have, trying to get this thing to move. So we have again the www one, and make an alias of target.clickfunnels.com, and then we have viralquizfunnels.com, or when I just typed in the @ symbol, that's what it gave me. And then again, point this again to target.clickfunnels.com. You should be good to go. Hit continue. And then we're going to go free. I know they have paid accounts and there's some differences, but I've honestly not seen any issues at all with my free account. So then you're going to get 2 name servers here, and you can see the current name servers that I have, and these are located within GoDaddy, and I'm basically going to be copying and pasting these in. I'm going to use these, replacing these with these, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go into GoDaddy here, and I will manage my domains. And I'm going to go down to Viral Clickfunnels. I'm going to scroll down to Manage. Now, obviously, if you're not using GoDaddy, you'll have to figure out whatever software that you are using. Not software, sorry. You'll have to figure out like whichever domain provider you're using. But essentially, like any domain provider you're using, you should be able to find name servers, which is what you'll need to be swapping out here. So I'll go ahead and hit custom. I'm going to enter custom name servers, and then this allows me to come in and copy this one, paste it here, and then I'm going to come down here and copy this one and paste it here. And I'll get rid of the space. Sometimes it picks up a space. Hit OK. Hit save. And then that's what I want to see. So it's basically telling me like it's going to take a little bit to change this out, but I now have my name servers changed. And so we're good to go there. We'll hit continue. And then you can recheck them. And the screen right here, success, Viral Clickfunnels is now queued up to be rescanned. Please check back in a few hours. Sometimes it takes a few hours, sometimes it literally takes a few minutes. I had one time where it took like an entire day, so it does vary. But now that we've done that, we have 2 more things we need to do here in Cloudflare. So if you come up here to the top, we're going to go to Page Rules, and we're going to create a page rule. And you can see the example is www.example.com/*. So we're going to go www.viralquizfunnels.com/*. And then we're going to pick the setting of forwarding URL, and we're going to make it a 301 permanent redirect. So basically we're now setting up the ability for us to have this, if anybody comes to www.viralclickfunnels.com, we're going to point that to a secure socket layer version of the site. So we'll go https:// and yes, you want to have the S, viralquizfunnels.com. And so notice I did not add in the 3 W's, just do https://yourdomain.com $$ and the number 1. Then we'll hit save and deploy. And once that's done, we're going to scroll back up here and we're going to go to crypto as our second thing we're going to do. I want to make sure that your secure socket layer is on full. It doesn't need to be full strict, but we do not want off or flexible. We want full. Now this is going to take a little bit. Basically what I've gone ahead and done, I've told Cloudflare that I want my website to be secure socket layer protected, HTTPS, which is what you'll need for your website if you want it to be on ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels requires all their websites to have secure socket layer protection. And definitely if you are within ClickFunnels, if you're looking to get opt-ins, get people's names and email addresses, phone numbers, all that kind of stuff, and if they're ordering products, all that experience, you need to be secure socket layer protected. It's definitely a expectation of consumers now today in 2017, so you definitely need to have that, and so this will allow you to have it. So just make sure it's on full, doesn't need to be on anything else, and it will take a little bit of time in the few hours. You don't need to click and order anything. A secure socket layer certificate will be created for the domain. But anyway, that's all you need to do right there in Cloudflare. So now we're going to go over to ClickFunnels, and we're going to start at custom domains. I'm going to open a new window here for this. And we're going to add new domain. And we are going to use an existing domain. And we're going to go manual advanced setup. And it's really not that advanced. I just know this process very well. But anyway, we're just put in viral quiz funnels. So we're going to put in your domain. And then we're going to pick the root of the URL. So basically, if somebody types in viralquizfunnels.com, where do we want that to go in terms of the funnel? And so the funnel that I built, I've only built the, opened up a starting page for it, but I need to basically go in and find that. So if I type in viral right there, you can see it pop up. And you can see that, like, as I start to type in things, you can find, like, the bold are all the different names of funnels that I have. You just want to pick whichever page in the funnel that you want to essentially be your home page. So I'm going to do opt-in, and then 404 error page. I haven't built out 404 error pages for this, so for now I will have my 404 or my error page redirect to the same page here. Then I'm going to select this, enable secure socket layer for domain. Definitely make sure you select this. If you don't, and if you miss this, then your website, you're going to have errors when you set up Cloudflare to have your site be secure socket layer protected, and then you haven't defined this in Clickfunnels. So do that and then hit create domain. And that's all you need to do right there. And then we're going to go back here and I'll refresh this really quick. And then there's a couple different places. There's 3 different places when I very first set up the domain where I'm assigning this funnel to the domain. And then each subsequent page, there are a few changes I need to do. So we'll start in settings. The 3 places are going to be in settings, in publishing, and in the page split test settings here. So we'll start in settings. And we're basically going to say I want this to be on the domain viralquizfunnels.com. And then they require you to add a path to it. Obviously, if somebody goes to viralquizfunnels.com, they'll get to your funnel. But essentially, when they get there, it will redirect to home. So that's going to be the funnel starting path. I just use home, or you can use intro, or you can use get started, or something like that, whatever works for you. But you basically do that, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, hit save and update settings. And now it brings us back to the funnel. So because I only have this one page right now, I'm going to hit publishing. And then I will do the same thing. Click viral quiz funnels. Call this home. And click update funnel step. And that's good there. And then the last place is again on edit page split test settings. Same thing. You have opt-in, I'll hit viral quiz funnels and home. And now I'm good to go. Now obviously if I go to viral quiz funnels, it's probably not going to be there. funnels.com. And I'm getting error messages and stuff like this, and this may look different for you, but you can see this is Cloudflare stuff. So Cloudflare is working on this, but it takes a little bit of time. So again, if I go to Cloudflare and I go to Overview, click Recheck, it tells me you can only perform this action once per hour. So it's still working on it, but you can see that my DNS records are correct, that it's working on this, the status pending. Everything looks good. Again, I have my full secure socket layer and my page rules I have set up for www.mywebsite.com/asterisk to go to secure socket layer version. So all that's set up right. And then I can double check in here. Let me refresh GoDaddy. And you can see these name servers have been updated in GoDaddy. So it's going to take just a little bit of time. Just try and be patient with it. You know, if you follow the steps I've just outlined correctly, it will pass through. It'll take, you know, like I said, sometimes it's 10 minutes, sometimes it's a few hours. But just be patient. Just kind of let that do its thing. But then essentially, like you're good to go. Like, you know, once it comes through, you'll be able to visit this URL and you shouldn't see any issues. So again, I'm seeing this error right now, but really that's pretty much it. A few basic steps. Again, just briefly going over the steps. Essential steps you need to do are, you know, creating your account in Cloudflare, and then you go and just follow the different steps that are outlined there. So anyway, hope this helps you guys. Thanks.